What's up, my beautiful creepers? Good morning. Just woke up. Today we're watching Venture's Rages. Where's my God Mountain Dew? Okay, it has cussing in it, I guess, because it has God Mountain Dew. I guess. Let's get started.
Are you guys still here? Yeah. I thought you guys were leaving. No. You know I'm raiding. I'm not going to be able to talk to you guys. Yeah. It's not pizza break. We'll be fine.
Okay, so it's not going to nowhere for now. It's not going nowhere. Okay. Okay, here's not.
Where's my Mountain Dew?
What the freak?
What are you talking about, man? No, where's my Mountain Dew? Keep it in the microwave. Do you see my glass? I'm raiding in here, and I don't have any Mountain Dew. Like, I saw some Mountain Lightning earlier. Where did you hide the Mountain Dew? Where did you hide it?
This week is messing up his whole house.
Where did you go? There's some Faygo in the fridge, man. I don't want any fucking Faygo!
Cursing.
You sure the Faygo? Does it look like I'm thirsty for Faygo? Are you thirsty for Faygo? Yeah. Are you thirsty?
Okay, now his thing is completed now because he just drunk some freaking Fango. The Fango is delicious.
It's delicious! It's delicious! I don't want Faygo! I want a Mountain Dew! Oh my God! Yeah, Mountain Dew!
Oh my God.
I'm gonna find it. I'm gonna find my goddamn Mountain Dew. Yeah, did you drink my Mountain Dew? Did you drink my Mountain Dew? Let me smell your breath.
Stop, Aiden. Let's get out of the video, please. So, oh my God, is he kissing the freaking? Watch this.
Let me smell your breath. Oh, you Mountain Dew drinking bitch. Drinking all the Mountain Dew.
What the frick?
Francis. I can't afford Mountain Dew. Okay? The economy's rough right now. Obama, you son of a bitch.
He mad as heck.
I'm gonna find my Mountain Dew. I'm gonna find my Mountain Dew. My motherfucking Mountain Dew. You son of a bitch. Oh, you sons of bitches. You sons of bitches. I will hunt you to the edge of the earth. Oh my God, yeah, Mountain Dew. It's actually pretty good. That'll do. You motherfucker.
Aiden, you can anticipate yourself. Aiden, wait. Okay, guys, the video's over. I'm gonna go get Aiden's toast. See you guys later. Hey guys, I'm back. And so I'll be right back to the other Mountain Dew video. Right back. Okay guys, we're at the other Mountain Dew thing. FNAF Freddy origins over Mountain Dew original animation. Let's do this. Okay. Looks like normal. The normal one. No, really has 5 Freddy's.
Where's my Mountain Dew? What are you talking about, man? No, where's my Mountain Dew? I keep it in the microwave. Do you see my glass? I'm raiding in here, and I don't have any Mountain Dew. Like, I saw some Mountain Lightning earlier. Where did you hide the Mountain Dew? Where did you hide it? We're getting ready to go!
Ain't toast is done.
Dang it.
There's some Faygo in the fridge, man. I don't want any fucking Faygo!
Violence. He threw a knife in his eye. The one didn't do it to Foxy. Foxy didn't do nothing to you, Freddy. Freaking Bonnie's freaking putting his ears down. Like he doesn't know freaking nothing. Freaking Bonnie. The frick? Violence. It's not that. Does not happen with the freak.
I want Mountain Dew! I want my goddamn Mountain Dew! I'm gonna find it. I'm gonna find my goddamn Mountain Dew.
I'll be right back. You just made toast. Put it in there again. Dude, I'm back. Just ate him, my little brother, with the fucking toast.
Did you drink my Mountain Dew? Did you drink my...
Stop. No one said you can talk. Gosh, I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back. I just wanted the video some, and I had to make a big deal about green toast. How's this?
I'm gonna find it. I'm gonna find my goddamn Mountain Dew. Did you drink my Mountain Dew?
Yeah.
Did you drink my Mountain Dew? Let me smell your breath. Let me smell your breath. Oh, you Mountain Dew drinking bitch. Drink it out of the Mountain
Is
Dew.
it Chica?
I'm gonna find my Mountain Dew.
The toast is not even in.
You drink my motherfucking Mountain Dew.
It's right there in
You
your hand.
sons of bitches.
It's in your hand.
Oh, you
empty.
sons of bitches. You motherfucker.
Do it! Just do it! Don't let your dreams be dreams. Make your dreams come true!
Toast is done.
Okay. Guys, I'll be right back. So, guys, I'm back. I have to end the video right here. So, see you keepers later. Bye-bye.